so it might be I'll just read it, I guess. Good evening. First of all, I would like to thank you, God, for giving me this opportunity. And thank you, Draga, to take this wonderful opportunity and David for encouraging me that I can do it. If it wasn't God's plan standing here today at this moment, might not be one of the events in my life. God has purpose for everything He does. Even though I was not happy to live here when I first arrived in Phoenix, but today I understand why He sent me here. And I'm more than happy to continue to live here. In Thailand, I grew up in a place where there were no churches, no Sunday school, or Bible studies, but only weekly service in my house. There were only 2 Christian families in the village, and my sister and I were the only 2 believers in school. We faced many challenges, but I can feel the presence of God, and I know that He was with us. Every morning before class, all students had to line up and say prayers in Buddhist. But everybody was there but me and my sister because we refused to say it. I'm so nervous right now. Okay. Many times, my friends would make fun of us for being Christians, and I sometimes feel embarrassed. But I remember once saying to them, they called me YT, which means diver, I guess. And I remember once saying to one of them that I'm YT, but one day I will end up going to heaven. But you will end up going to hell because you're not. I can't remember how old I was, but I guess I was a brave little girl, at least braver than now. And also Friday evening, all students and teachers would gather in the cafeteria to say prayers and perform a ceremony related to the religion. But my sister and I avoided the gathering, and we were hiding in our classroom. I know that we did all this because God was with us. If He wasn't with us, I might end up follow the crowd and worshiping idol. Today, I'm very happy and thankful to God that He sent me here. A place where I can be closer to Him and serve Him. Many years of being part of church activities, I have learned that in our society, experience, talents are required to perform a job. But in church, just willingness and commitment are required. I have been blessed in many ways since I got here, spiritually and physically. God provides me with the best church when I can belong to and serve Him. He blessed me with friends who always set up a good example, especially Dani. She always encouraged me and gave me compliments. One thing that I like the most about her is she always gives me compliments. Just kidding. God for blessing me with leaders who always show me His way, teach His word, and help me to grow in spiritual. I'm not sure how I started coming to Bible study, but today I've come to realize that coming to Bible study has the most impact in my spiritual growth. By inviting God in my life, I found hope, peace, and joy. Thank you, Raja, John Pensy, and Tuan, for your time and commitment for us. Thank you, all of you here, for making AKBC, Arizona Cranberry Teachers, the best church. Well, to me, it is the best church. And most importantly, thanks God for making all of this happen. Thank you.